Good morning, students. The topic is subtraction of money. Today, I will teach you subtraction of money. In subtraction of money, we have to subtract one amount of money from the other amount. We can use two methods. First method, subtraction with conversion, and second method, subtraction without conversion. Okay, children, earlier when I taught you the addition of money, it was both methods. The only difference is that it is subtraction and that was the addition, right? Okay, so first I will explain subtraction with conversion to you. It is very important to keep in mind four things in subtraction with conversion. First, we have to convert both amount into paise. Second, we have to arrange the greater amount above and the lesser amount below in column wise form. Third, we have to find their difference into paise. And fourth, we have to convert the difference into rupees. So these are four things which we always have to keep in our mind. Okay? Let us take one example. See question. Subtract rupees 87.58 minus rupees 20.53. Now first we have to write the greater amount above and the smaller amount below. So children, tell me which of these amount is big? Rupees 87.58. So we will write rupees 87.58 above. Now we have to convert into paise. So for this we have to remove this dot. Then it will convert into paise. 8,758 paise. You can see that it has converted into paise. Right? Now we will write second amount down. Second amount is rupees 20.53. Now we will also convert into paise. So we will write 2053 paise. Now we will remove the dot. Write 2053 paise. Clear? You can see that it has converted into paise. Let's subtract. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. And 8 minus 2 is 6. 6,705 paise. Now we will write the answer below. 6,705 paise. Now convert it. Rupees 67.05. Is that clear? Okay. Now next subtract is rupees 69.60 minus rupees 43.10. In this question also, first we have to write big amount above and small amount down. So we have to write big amount. Big amount is 69.60 rupees. 69.60. Now convert it. First we have to remove this dot. Now it will convert into paise. So paise is 6,960 paise. You can see that it has converted into paise. Second amount is rupees 43.10. Now we have to also convert it. Remove this dot. It will convert into paise. 4,310 paise. You can see that it has converted into paise. Let's subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 6 minus 4 is 2. 2,650 paise. Now write here answer. 2,650. Now we have to convert it. Rupees 26.50. Okay. Now is the second method, subtraction without conversion. Let us take one example. Rupees 65.06 minus rupees 23.45. In this, first of all, we will make column of rupees and paise. After that, we have to arrange the given amount in column of rupees and paise. Now first subtract paise, then rupees. For doing this, first of all, we have to arrange the given amount in column of rupees and paise. So how many rupees? 65. Right here 65. How much paise? 06. Right, 06. And second amount is 23.45. So how much rupees? 23. Write down 23. And how much paise? 45. Right here 45. Now first subtract paise column. Okay. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 0 cannot subtract 4. So it will take borrow from 5. 5 get 0 to 1. So 0 become 10. And 5 become 4. So 10 minus 4 is 6. And 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now answer came in rupees column 41 and in paise column 61. Clear? That is 51 rupees and 41 rupees and 61 paise. Write here answer rupees 41.61. Rupees 61 paise. Children, you understand? Next question, rupees 77.30 minus rupees 38.98. We will make column of rupees and paise. After that, we have to arrange the given amount in column of rupees and paise. How much rupees? 77. So write here 77. How much paise? 30. So write here 30. In second amount, how much rupees? 38. So write here 38. And how much paise? 98. So we have to write 98. Okay. Let's subtract. 0 cannot subtract 8, so it will take borrow from 3. 3 gave 1 to 0, so 0 became 10 and 3 became 2. 2 cannot subtract 9, so it will also take borrow from 7. 7 gave 1 to 2, so 2 became 12 and 7 became 6. Next, 6 also cannot subtract 8, so it will borrow from 7. 7 gave 1 to 6. 6 became 16 and 7 became 6. Now, we will subtract the amount below from the amount given above. Now, it will be easily subtract. Right? 10 minus 8 is 2. 12 minus 9 is 3. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So 38 is rupees column and 32 is paise column. Clear? That means rupees 38.32. Rupees 38.32. 38 rupees 32 paise. Student, is that clear? Okay.